Hi guys, just doing a quick check-in and see how you're doing this week. I know it's been another really crazy week for a lot of you who work in healthcare, and even many of you who have not been working. It's definitely been an adjustment. So I, I'm thinking about you guys, and I've been getting a lot of emails this week about students being behind. And so I didn't want to put any pressure on you. And I wanted to move this week's discussion board into next week. So some of you had already completed it, and some of you have already started your MAPP papers, as I've received a couple papers in my email that I've been editing and helping some students with. So I appreciate you guys getting started on that MAPP assignment. I had one student reach out and say that maybe she didn't have access to it, so I re uploaded the assignment to make sure that everyone can view it. But it's been in your assignments tab probably since, well, it's been in there since the beginning of the semester, but I made it available early March. So please take a look at it. If you're having trouble accessing, I'm not quite sure what's going on, but make sure you're in the assignments tab and you scroll all the way down here. It's right here, MAPP, Career Inventory, and Paper. So essentially, you're going to click on the black link, and it's going to take you to this explanation here. You're going to open up the Holland Code test. It's a brief career test. I know you guys have probably taken one in the past via your high school seminar or something. But this is one of the better ones. It's supposed to be pretty accurate, and it's supposed to give you a pretty good understanding of like how you can organize your interests in a predictable way, I guess. But you're going to take that MAPP inventory, and then you're going to write a 2-page paper. It's really brief, just kind of highlighting a little bit about what you got out of the test. And then you're going to talk a little bit about your future. You're going to tell me what you'd like to achieve in the next year, 5 years, 10 years. And it's okay if you don't have it all figured out. This is really just a jump start on kind of getting it out on paper, what you want to see for yourself, what you envision for yourself, and how you can direct some of the human relation strategies we've learned in the course into those goals. So please let me know if you have any questions about it. I know it's been available because I've had several students already start the paper and send me some of their content. So please let me know if you're having any trouble accessing it. Like I said, I re-uploaded it today to make sure that everyone has visibility there. As far as this week's materials goes, we're on chapter 11. So you're welcome to start the lecture. I moved, usually just your discussion boards are due tonight. I moved chapter 11 to next Thursday. So please, please, please make sure this week's chapter 11 discussion board is completed by next Thursday night. And then by next Friday night, I want you guys to have the chapters 9, 10, 11 exam completed. So I've given you all week to study what you've learned from chapters 9 and 10, and then finish up chapter 11, and then you'll take your exam. And then by the following week, we'll be back on track, and we shouldn't be any further behind. We should be ready to take your, well, you guys don't have a take-home final, but you guys will be completing your final human relations project, that behavior change project for your final. And we'll have a little quiz on chapters 12 and 13, but it's not a big scary final like some of your other classes. So please let me know if you have any questions about that. Your exam will be available by the afternoon. Please do not rush into taking it. Take it sometime next week, but don't email me Friday at 11 p.m. saying, I don't have enough time and it's kicking me out. Make sure that you're logged in by Friday morning to take it. So if you have any issues, we can address them. All right. Please take care of yourself, and let me know if you need anything. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.